5 Google Chrome tips that will save a lot of time for you. I am Raghu Prashant from ActivityMad. Tip number 1, create a custom search engine. If you are using a lot of websites for searching stuffs or a content like YouTube, Amazon or Wikipedia, instead of going to the website every time and searching for something, you can create a custom search engine for those websites. For that, follow these steps. Just go to the website which you use for searching stuffs. I am going to Amazon. I am just searching for my name. Now just copy the URL and go to the settings. There you click the search engine option and click the manage search engines. Now just scroll down and click here the add option here. Now just give the search engine name. I'm giving Amazon. For nickname I'm just giving AM and just pasting the URL. Now just replace the name you searched with the percentages as they mentioned here. So here I'm just replacing the name with my percentage. Yes. Now just click the add option. Now it will be added. Now just open a URL and type the nickname. I'm typing the nickname, I'm giving space, and now I can search whatever I want in the Amazon. I'm just giving the Redmi. Now you can see it's automatically taken to the Amazon and searched for the stuffs in the home page itself. So if you create a custom search engine, it will save a lot of time for you. Please follow this trick. Tip number 2, create a different Chrome profile. Try to use a different Chrome profile for different purpose like working, studying, so that you can keep your privacy and also you can stay focused on what you are doing. For creating a Chrome profile, just click the icon here and click the add option at the bottom. And you can go with either Google Chrome profile or going without a Google Chrome account. I am going without an account, so I am just clicking continue without an account. Now just give a name for your profile. I am just giving demo. Now just select the theme which you wish. I am just selecting this one, and either you can create a desktop shortcut for this profile, but I am just unclicking and done. So the new Chrome profile is created, and you know we have searched for Amazon in the Google Chrome in the previous tip, but when I try to search Amazon here, nothing is showing in the history option. The biggest advantage of using a Chrome profile is every profile has its own history option. Likewise, every Chrome profile has its own Chrome extensions. So if you are creating a profile for just studying, you can use a Chrome extension to block every social media sites. And there are a lot of advantages in creating a new profile. Just explore it by just creating one new profile. Tip number 3, create the custom startup page. Once you open the Chrome, you always go to the same website every time. Instead of typing the URL every time and going to the website, just create a custom startup page. For setting a custom startup page, just go to the settings and click the on startup option and select a open a specific page or a set of pages option and click on the add new page. Now just enter the URL here. Now I'm just going to type youtube.com. So the YouTube is added here. You can add a number of pages as you wish. So I'm just added the YouTube. Now I'm just going to close this Chrome. So I'm opening the Chrome again. You can see it's automatically taking to the YouTube instead of typing any URL. It's insane, right? Definitely yes. The first thing you do after opening a Chrome is going to the same web page. Then definitely you should set up a custom startup page to save a lot of time. Tip number 4, group bookmark. If you use multiple websites in the multiple tabs for study or work purpose, instead of opening all the websites manually in multiple tabs, you can just group bookmark all the websites which you use at the same time. For group bookmarking, just open all the websites which you use at the same time. For example, I just opened the YouTube, Amazon, Wikipedia. Now just right click on the top of the Chrome bar. Now click the bookmark all tabs. Now just enter the name. I am just entering the demo as the name here. Now just click the save option. You can see a bookmark folder is automatically created, and you can see a demo named bookmark folder is created here. Now just click on the folder. Now you can see all the name. You can just click it, it automatically opens the page, or if you want to open all the sites, just right click and click open all option. So you can do whatever you want if you create a bookmark option. So, and if you're a person who uses bunch of websites for working or studying at the same time, now just create a group bookmark and save a lot of time for you. Tip number 5, pin tab. You can pin a particular tab so that if you click on the tab, it will automatically take you to the website in that tab. And you may wonder then what's the difference between the bookmark and the pin tab. The pin tab has its own advantage. To show you the demo, I'm just right clicking on the tab which I have opened and I'm just clicking the pin option. So it has been pinned, and I'm also just going to bookmark the page to show you the difference between the pin tab and the bookmark. So I just bookmark my channel name here. So I'm just going to close this Chrome and going to open it again. So I'm just going to open the Chrome again. Now the Chrome is open. So when I click the pinned tab which has been pinned here, so if I click it, you can see the page is already been pre-loaded here. But when I go to the new tab and click the bookmark option, it takes the time to load for us. So the biggest advantage of using a pin tab is it will be getting loaded in the background itself. But in the bookmark, it takes the load time after we clicking the bookmark. So the pin tab has an advantage in the preloading option. So if you are going to use the same website for watching every time, like you are going to visit the activity mat, just pin the activity mat tab. So it will automatically get rolled in the background. You can watch every time you want. That's the advantage of the pin tab. And for more tips, you can check out this video to learn a lot of keyboard shortcuts. And for more videos just like this one, please subscribe to Activity Mat.